Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Siddharth and I'm a medical intern here in India. And currently I'm studying for the USMLE Step 1 exam. And I start my day with solving some U World questions. Okay, so I finished my morning U World questions and now I'm going to get something to eat, maybe an apple or something, and then go back to studying. And I'm currently studying the Neuro module. So yeah, I'm just going to do that from the first stage. And yeah, let's do it. Also, as in how I keep learning new things, I understand that there's a lot of knowledge gap between what we study in the first and second years and what is required from the USMLE Step 1. And yeah, that's it. I'm trying to do as much as I can. I'm done for my morning session of studying, and as I talked about before, that there's a lot of knowledge gap between what we do in our first and second years and what is expected from the USMLE Step 1. And yeah, I'm just working on it and I'm just trusting the process, and I can see that I'm improving on the U World scores, and I think that's the only indicator that I need to keep going on and to give my exam as soon as I can. Coffee now and continue with the neuro section, and yeah, then let's see. Okay, yeah, and that's it for neuroanatomy for today. And I finished the major part of it, like the cortex, the basal ganglia, the hypothalamus, the dural venous sinuses, and the homunculus. And yeah, so I'm just gonna move on to sketchy micro and sketchy form. And so what I wanted to show you guys is the sketchy sketches, like all the sketches with their explanation that I have here. And then I've started using Anki flashcards, which help me keep the spaced repetition in check. And it has like a tracker, so I haven't missed any days since I started doing it. And then the flashcards look like this. You start studying and then you get a question, that's the... And then you click on show answer. Then you get the sketch. And this is exactly the sketch that I have in my book. Okay, so I think I'm saturated for the day and I don't want to overwork myself because I have to study again tomorrow. And so instead I'm just going to make some charts which I can put up, like some flow charts that I need to remember. And yeah.